The young vet's radical ideas led to Canada's first canned dog food.
A dog needs just two things, son.
Yes, sir?
First, you need to feed him right.
Today, inspired by Dr. Ballard, our nutritionists have created Balanced Diet Dry Dog Food, a unique blend of beef, chicken, liver, and cheese.
Sir, what's the second thing?
Love, son. Lots of love.
New Dr. Ballard